Good morning, my little chickadees.
And fam, y'all come and go on this journey with us today. We're going to Tractor Supply and look at some accessories and stuff for the guinea pig. So y'all stay tuned for that on our journey for the day. And as you notice, can y'all notice the color I have on? Can you see it to the camera, Brenda?
Yep. Great fucking Charlie Brown.
What you doing hopping, Brenda? Look y'all, look at Brenda hopping.
Knees and hips and then this doggone arm done started again. I don't know. Oh, man, one thing is another one and another one and another one.
Well, she's strong.
Yeah, keep doing.
Keep going. Look, we ain't never went this slow going down. Y'all, we ain't never did this before early in the morning. After hurting going down the stairs. Just wait until we come back up the stairs. I'm gonna show y'all just how. Y'all see how these stairs we go down and come up? Look at it. You can do it. You can do it. Look at Brenda, she's doing it. Let me see. Woo. Yeah. Look. Are you proud you made it down the stairs? Are you proud? Tell the people.
When I get up, I'll let you know.
Let us go on the journey. We take y'all today with us. All right. Okay, y'all. We at where we at, Brenda?
Tractor Supply.
Tractor Supply. Y'all, look what Brenda just bought me. Pull yours up. Okay, they okay. You know, they all right. Check this out, y'all. The boss of all the teams. The boss of all the teams. Look, don't even go there.
What? Don't hate the player, hate the game.
All right, we finna go ahead and find something for.
Put that over your nose.
For Brownie.
Pull it over your nose still, Phil. Thank you. Leave it up there. You know something wrong with you. I ain't kidding. I'm going in the store.
Okay, y'all. There go another bottle. Look, these bottles are $1, $2 at Walmart.
Yeah,
so y'all, yeah, they force some in here. So, I thought about that. We want to go with this, but we got to get a bigger cage. And right now, we can't afford that. No, get the,
Carefresh.
That.
That's it, 22, the white.
Yeah.
Small pet bed.
Wait.
What's the difference? Are both of them the same?
Are they the same?
This here got just bigger. This 50 liter.
Oh, that's 60 liter? Okay, I thought that was
69.
chips.
No, these ain't chips.
Oh, okay then. Okay.
Carefresh. Then they got this down here.
Harness, let me see it. Pull that out.
This ain't the guinea pig harness.
Let me see which one harness is that one. But he's too little right now.
Sports jogging. That's rabbit and ferret. I know that ferret.
And I don't think he needs to. Oh. I wonder, do they have it where you can put a cage together? Let me ask them.
They got apples.
Alan, can you come up here for a sec?
Gotta get some more Timothy hay.
Yeah. What is this? Wait a minute. This is good. That's got all kinds of stuff in there for him.
How much?
That's $9.99. That's a big bag.
Nah, I'll get 2 of them.
Huh?
Here, have it. I won't have to stress.
You stressing now? All right. Well, yeah, they don't have the drops here. They don't have the cages here. So it looks like we're going to have to go online and find something on that. Okay. Also, you know what? I'm going to ask her. Man. Yeah, but that's hay. That's got other kind of stuff in there that they like.
Look on my way. I'm trying to see if he got herbs and flowers. But that's not Timothy hay.
It don't have to be, Brenda. We gotta go to Pets and get the drops.
Look at that. Food and water mat. Then they got.
Oh, these are $29.
Look, but they
But what? Oh,
they got these on the roll. That's a food and water mat.
let me see that
That's a
one.
food and water mat.
Let me feel that. Okay.
It's $14.
We got to go to Jackson, Mississippi or Monroe and get what we need. Let's see what kind of Christmas stuff they got left. They got leftover. 60%. That's cute. This is Tractor Supply got 60% off of a lot of that stuff. Do anybody know if a guinea pig needs to have a salt block? Not sure on that. Look how pretty this is for a horse. Let me see. These are horse harnesses and all right here. There are some beautiful little mats. But Sandra, I got what you were saying, and I guess we're gonna have to go online, and I'm gonna call you and see where they have one at, and probably order it online. Brenda, where you at? Brenda? Brenda? I can't find Brenda. Oh, I don't know why I didn't know. Y'all, look at this. Is it 60% off this too? 60%? What you trying to get? Huh?
Heck to cow markets and stuff. I need that one. I need to fill up here screwdriver for a little small thing that I'm trying to see how. This 13. This one 17.
Look, I told Brenda, this is what I want right here. And she
She didn't
said,
even know what it was. That's an air compressor.
air compressor? I knew it was an air compressor, but I was messing with her. If I bought one of these, oh, that's not a bad price for this air compressor right here.
What the hell you gonna do with that air compressor that big?
I don't need it. Yes, I do.
Okay.
I do have a business. I have a guinea pig business.
What? What you doing?
That's a welding hat, ain't it?
Yep, that's exactly what it is.
They're welding hats. Yeah. Now this one, you can't go wrong on this. A generator. What's that generator price?
106, 800.
How much is it?
I don't know.
Oh, there it is. It's
800
either.
and it's 800 or something. I'm trying to really want this kind of.
Hey, roosters. What you looking for? Down. She looking for the clearance aisle, so she can find something up in there. Where you? Yeah. There it is, right there, the clearance aisle. What is this? Something to go on your keychain? Oh, it is a keychain. But what's on it?
What is it?
I don't know. I can't see it. Y'all, these are totally different, but do anybody remember the paper dolls? You can make your own clothes with the paper dolls. Uh-oh, excuse me. You good. It's for your treats. What you see? Round glass magnets. But they had cowboy on it. Look. Ooh.
I like this one better. It's got the pig, the cow, the goat.
They still don't mark them down well enough.
And it was $14.
Yeah, they could mark them down some more. Too bad they ain't got no extra amount off of it. Y'all, springtime coming up. Everybody gonna be doing their yards after a while. Y'all, here goes some wipes to wipe your eggs off. Never thought about that. Maybe I should get them. Oh.
You wipe for the eggs off.
Ain't got no egg, ain't got no chicken, no hen. Let me go over here. Brenda, look right here. Let's go down here. Let me show you this. See, this is something I was telling her about. And she could use for the guinea pig and make one out of it. See here, Brenda? This is what I was telling you about. But we're going to check online because this is $26.99. We'll check online. And they use this for the rabbit cage.
Yeah, he can't. He needs a little thin beneath because so he can't get out. Well, this will do right here too. It need to be taller though, don't it?
Taller for what? That's the floor. Look. What you mean taller?
Okay, that's 28.
Now look at these.
No, I need something strong.
Brenda still insists on a flashlight, y'all. Don't do that. That reminds me of, you can't see. Oh, God, that I can't see. I can't see, Brenda. I'm still blurred. Yeah.
Oh, well.
Y'all, I want this, but it's broken. Check it out. Y'all remember that? Brenda, wind it up. Wind it up and see if it's gonna pop out.
It didn't pop out on you.
I couldn't. Oh, he won't come up. Let me see. Somebody got him stuck. Now put him down up and down. Push him in there. No, don't. You're gonna hurt him.
He already hurt him. He wouldn't come up.
You're gonna make him hurt. Okay.
What the heck you gonna do with a Jack in the Box? It won't stay down now. He said, I'm free. I'm free.
Oh, God. Okay, Brenda, what we looking for?
The vitamin C drops for brownies.
The vitamin C drops. What's that?
Vitamin A.
That's vitamin A?
Vital drops.
Those are vitamin C drops.
Oh yeah, vitamin C.
Yeah.
Okay. How long they last? This last? How long it lasts? You drop it in every
Yeah,
day?
you don't have to. It show you it lasts a good while. Look, let's check the prices on this. Oh, this $24.
For the little one.
Yep. It's a smaller one, ain't it? Yep. So Tractor Supply was a lot more cheaper, right?
Yeah, it was more in there.
Yeah. And also, let me see. Pull that Timothy hay out right there, that big bag. How much was that big bag? That's $12.
$12.
It's cheaper at Walmart too, isn't it? For that big bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got some bottles here.
Yeah, they do.
There's some guinea pig bottles here.
$6.99.
Yeah. Too bad we don't have the cages.
Yeah. What's this?
Pet set.
Not
Send us some bigger
nibbler.
cages for
Look,
guinea
you think
pigs.
Brownie will like this?
Huh?
Not nibbler. Playtime activity chew for guinea pigs, dwarf rabbits, and other small
You got
ones.
sticks already.
Yeah, but he might have to play with it. I be trying to get him some. Oh, wait a minute. I know what I need to get him. A little cubby hole.
You don't have the room.
Not in.
Oh, you gonna get one?
Yeah. How much? $3.
But you know he gonna get big.
Huh?
He gonna get big.
I know, but for right now, he can walk up or run in. See?
Okay.
This one other.
But the more you put in that little cage, the less room he have to run around. This is what I'm trying to tell you till we get a bigger cage. Let me see what's over here, y'all. Look. They don't have the mats. Look at the dog stairs.
I know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What's this down here? Heating pad.
They got a heating pad.
That's for the dog to lay on.
Really?
A heating pad when they get cold for the dog to lay on back there. You see the heating pad?
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is cute.
Ain't it?
Look, you take this out. What's like this little bed. Right
Comes
here.
out.
This comes out. You can wash this. This right here could be washable. I guess we'll come back and see it. I don't see the price on it.
24-inch round bed, $29.99.
But is that the way? But you know what? That might be. Some people been moving stuff.
No, it's a round bed right here.
What's the barcode on there?
Pet bed. 24-inch round pet bed. Danda.
What number you start off with? Is it a 402? Huh?
469.
See, that ain't the same one.
Oh, 49.
Look, I guess if a dog one day, God,
The little bitty little dogs.
they could go up in there. That's so cute.
Yep.
That's cute. A little bitty bed. It's cute. And it look, it's washable.
Yep.
All of these are washable.
This one, look at this. This might be what they're talking about. This one here. Ain't no price on it.
Plus we need a cubby of soft. If I'm gonna get them a cubby hole, I'd rather get a soft one. Not these hard ones. You know they got the little soft ones. I wanna get.
Hi there.
Hi.
Oh, look.
Hi, Gertrude. Oh, he smelled those bones.
She was like, I
I smell my treat. Hey, Gertrude. Hi. Hey, puppy. How you doing, Gertrude? You're gonna be on YouTube. Once again, it's the fish.
We gotta find a filter.
Yeah.
Oh, this one I like the blue. I know you like the yellow.
No, it ain't yellow enough. I'd rather have the glowfish.
Look at it, ain't he pretty?
Mm-hmm.
Just can't have but one. Oh, I like this blue.
I know that blue one is pretty. It's good for Dallas.
Go to hell, I'm getting this one. Give me the red. You had to say.
A lot of stuff that we need, we're gonna go to Smart, PetSmart, in Jackson or Monroe, Louisiana, where I got Brownie from. Y'all, we in the mall. I see that they got more things in the mall now.
You gonna be on this side.
Huh?
I said you gonna be on this side.
All right. This is the new store they have here in Vicksburg.